Have you ever wondered why Republic Day holds such a significant place in the heart of every Indian? Why is it more than just a holiday or a day off from work? Today, we delve deep into the history and significance of Republic Day in India. In the winter chill of January 1950, a new chapter began in the annals of Indian history. It was a day that marked the birth of the world's largest democracy. The 26th day of the first month of the year, a day that witnessed the adoption of the Constitution of India. On this day, India, a country known for its rich cultural diversity and heritage, transformed into a sovereign republic. Bhimrao Ambedkar, fondly remembered as the father of the Indian Constitution, played a critical role in drafting this document that continues to guide the nation's journey. Every year, the Republic Day celebrations in the capital city of Delhi are a sight to behold. The Grand Parade on Rajpath is a display of India's defense capability, cultural heritage, and the spirit of unity in diversity. It's a proud moment when the President, the first citizen of the country, hoists the national flag, followed by a mesmerizing display of India's military might and cultural diversity. But the significance of Republic Day extends beyond these grand celebrations. It's a day to remember the sacrifices of our forefathers, the freedom fighters who laid down their lives for the country's independence. It's a day to reflect on our duties as citizens and to contribute towards the nation's progress. Let us recap the key points we discussed today. Republic Day, celebrated annually on the 26th of January, marks the day when India adopted its constitution and became a sovereign republic. It's a day of national pride, celebrated with a grand parade showcasing India's military strength and cultural diversity. But above all, it's a day to remember the sacrifices of those who fought for India's freedom and to reaffirm our commitment to the nation's progress. Remember, celebrating Republic Day should not be confined to watching the parade or hoisting the flag. It's about acknowledging the sacrifices made by our ancestors and pledging to work towards making India a better place. As we wrap up today's discussion, let's remember that the strength of India lies in its unity in diversity. Let us all strive to make India not just the finest, but the strongest nation in the world. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, do share it with your friends and remember to subscribe to our channel for more such insightful discussions. Until next time, let's keep the spirit of the Republic alive in our hearts.